Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on your Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to open settings, and right here in the more connectivity options we would be able to find NFC. So let's tap it and enable by clicking on this switcher. And as you can see, this function is to allow data exchange when this device touches another one. Also, you can find it by swiping down from the upper right corner to activate the control center. And right here, you can find this button, which is for NFC payments. And if it's blue, then it is enabled. If it's gray like others, then disabled. And if you cannot find this button, click on Edit right here on the bottom of the screen and edit right here from the system toggles or from app toggles by clicking on this plus. Great. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.